Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to take a few minutes and give you guys an update on the class and some new information that I've added to our Blackboard site. So at this point, you should have all of your descriptors written, you should have artifacts picked out, and you should also have your resume and your About Me section pretty much done. If you don't have those things finished yet, don't worry about it. Just post them when you get them, and I will review them. So what I've added, a couple of things. A WordPress demo. So Callie was kind enough to do kind of a demonstration today about creating a WordPress site. And you are more than welcome to email her. She talks about her email address and how to get in contact with her in the video. It's Callie Whistle. And you can kind of see how she goes through some of the main parts of creating your WordPress site. I do want to stress a couple of things. One, you do not have to buy a site. The free site is fine. And number two, you can keep this as simple as you would like. You'll see in Callie's example that she has another class that she's doing a portfolio for, so hers has a little bit more than what you're required for in this class. So you can keep it pretty simple. The point is to just have a place that you can showcase your work and tell a little bit about yourself. So on that note, your requirements for your portfolio are pretty simple. You need to have a menu. Well, you'll have a home page, of course, and you'll see in her example you can put a picture. You can do your About Me there if you want to, kind of an opening. But at the basic level, you need to have an introduction, About Me, and also in that you can include like a LinkedIn site, links to your social media, things like that if you want to. You need to have a resume, and then you need to have documented skill areas, and so those are all listed here. And Callie talks about creating a menu, for each of these. But at the very basic level, this is what you need to have. And then if you want to add anything else, feel free to. If you have a job, internships, other classes that you would like to highlight, work from other classes you would like to highlight, please feel free to add those as well. So what we're going to do, you can watch her video. You can, sorry, get out of that. You can watch her video, start to play around with your own WordPress site. I highly recommend using WordPress. You can use the Google site as well, but I just don't think it offers as much as using the WordPress site. So I would use that one for sure. And also please make sure, as Callie talks about in the video, that your documents, if they're from Google Docs, that you open them up so that people can view them and don't have to have permission to do so. So this is just a quick update. I'll be sending out more information. We'll probably get together one more time after Thanksgiving in the Communication Skills Center, and we can have a working session in there as well. If you would like to come and bring all of your materials and work together, we could do that. But I hope you guys have a great holiday, and please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Thanks so much.